on and jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car and raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my hand to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, 'cause the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Your lips are moving, your lips are moving, your lips are moving, and you lie, baby. Your lips are moving, your lips are moving, your lips are moving. I said you lie, baby. Girl, look at me in my face. Tell me that you're not just about this bass. You really think I could be replaced? Nah, I come from outer space, and I'm a classy guy. I'ma hold it up. You're full of something, but it ain't love. And what we got is straight overdue. Go find somebody new. You can wear your diamond earrings and your na-na-na, 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 but I smell them on your collar, so goodbye, bye-bye, bye-bye-bye. I know you